Samsung's 2026 budget lineup is leaking, and right in the middle of it sits the Galaxy A37, a phone that basically exposes how lazy and confused the mid-range smartphone market has become. While people keep screaming about flagships that barely change year to year, Samsung is once again playing its real game in the Galaxy A series. And yes, the A37 looks less like a budget compromise and more like Samsung quietly embarrassing its own higher-priced phones. Let's start with the launch timeline. According to reliable leaks from tipsters like Abhishek Yadav, Samsung plans to drop the Galaxy A37 in early 2026, around the first or second week of February, alongside the Galaxy A57. Notice the timing? This thing lands before the Galaxy S26 series even shows up. Translation: Samsung knows its flagships take forever, so it pushes the phones people actually buy first. Brutally honest strategy. Now the design, because this is where Samsung finally admits those cheap plastic camera rings were ugly all along. The Galaxy A37 is expected to adopt the new raised camera plateau, ditching the toy-like individual lenses. And shocker, it instantly looks more premium, cleaner, larger, more confident. In fact, it's so good that Samsung is reportedly copying this exact design for the Galaxy S26 lineup. Imagine a budget phone setting design rules for a flagship. Awkward. The camera situation is even more embarrassing for the competition and for Samsung's older A-series phones. Leaker Anthony claims the A37 will use a 50-megapixel main camera with a massive 1/1.56-inch sensor, the largest ever on a Galaxy A3X device. That's not a small upgrade. That's Samsung finally admitting its cheaper phones were terrible at low light. A bigger sensor means better night photos, sharper details, improved dynamic range. Basically, everything budget phones usually mess up. Battery and charging, Samsung is flexing again. A 5,000 milliamp hour battery paired with 45-watt fast charging. Let that sink in. Some premium flagships are still crawling along at slower charging speeds while this $300 phone zooms past them. At this point, Samsung isn't even trying to hide the favoritism. Software support is where things get really uncomfortable. The Galaxy A37 is expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8, backed by an insane 6 years of OS and security updates. That's flagship-level support on a budget device, and most Android brands can't even promise half of that without crossing their fingers. Performance won't chase benchmarks, and that's actually the point. Leaks suggest Samsung is focusing on efficiency, stability, battery life, and camera consistency instead of fake numbers. As for release and price, expect early February 2026 and pricing around $250 to $300 depending on storage and region. And if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A37 won't just sell well, it'll quietly ruin the value argument of half the smartphones above it. Samsung might call it budget, but everyone else should be worried.